Hey Artland, how's it going? Now, I'm really sorry that this video has taken so long to get done. Things have been a little crazy over here, so I apologize once again that it's taken so long for us to get this video out. But I just want to thank you so much to everyone who submitted names for our new Titan contest. And I've actually chosen two winners for this. So the first winner with the name MODA is from Godzilla Stop Motion. And I want to thank Godzilla Stop Motion for the name MODA. I think it's a good name that fits him. And then I will also want to thank Corbin Evans for coming up with the name of a MOLEDILE, or we can even call it a modadile. So kind of like a nice little combination. We got the name MODA, and then the creature can actually be called a modadile, give them an actual species. But there you go. Now, while I have you, I also want to give you guys a little contest. So what I want you guys to do for me is, since I had a lot of fun drawing this new Titan, I want you guys to come up with your own Titan drawing for me. So what I want you guys to do is draw it up for me and then send it to me. You can send it to me through Instagram, Twitter, or you can even email me a picture, or if you want to, you can take a picture and post it in the comments. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through them all and I'm gonna choose a couple of them. And if I choose yours, I'm going to give you a shout out on the channel. And then I'm going to actually draw your Titan in my own style. So once again, I want you guys to come up with some of your own Titan drawings and send them over to me. And then if I choose yours, I'm going to give you a shout out on the channel and then draw your picture in my own style. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you again for all the support. We just reached 10,000 subscribers. It's awesome. Never thought we would get this far. But I just want to thank you guys for everything and all the support. And I hope this new challenge is fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Keep watching for new videos, and thank you so much for everything, guys.